Hello, beautiful people. Today we're going to be diving into an amazing topic, FeetFinder, a new perspective on body positivity and self-expression. If you're excited to find out how celebrating your feet can maximize your confidence and unleash your creativity, stick with me. Let's get those toes tapping. Embracing body positivity. First off, I'd like to talk about body positivity. FeetFinder is all about embracing and loving every part of yourself, including your feet. It's a platform where you can flaunt and showcase your beautiful feet, celebrate what makes you uniquely you, and connect with others that appreciate your individuality. Whether they're big or small, wide or narrow, every pair has its own charm and character. Self-expression through feet. FeetFinder is your playground for self-expression. Whether you have vibrant nail polish, like funky socks, or you love beautiful foot jewelry, this platform lets you showcase your personal style and passions. Think of it like a masterpiece. Your feet are the canvas. Your polish, your socks, the jewelry are your paints. Unleash your creativity and let your feet do the talking. Boosting your confidence. One of the coolest things about FeetFinder, it boosts your confidence sky high. Sharing your feet pictures and receiving positive vibes from fellow enthusiasts is seriously empowering. It's a reminder that you're stunning the way that you are. So go ahead, take that leap. Watch your confidence soar. How to get started? Well, if you're ready to join the FeetFinder party, it's super simple. Head to FeetFinder, sign up, get verified, easy peasy. Once you're in, start snapping those feet pics. There's no cap on creativity here. Go candid, glam it up with heels, or whatever rocks your socks. FeetFinder makes turning your unique style into art and even a side hustle a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe for tips on selling feet pictures and more feet-related fun. Last, but definitely not least, let's chat about the FeetFinder community. It's a welcoming hub where you can connect, share stories, and get inspired. Engage with your followers, spark conversations, and build a supportive circle. The more you connect, the more fun you'll have on this amazing journey. So there you have it. FeetFinder, where self-expression meets pure positivity. It's the ultimate spot to celebrate your feet, boost your confidence, and join a fantastic community. Ready to kick things off? Head over to FeetFinder and start your fabulous journey today. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in and keep shining in your own unique